ram chung ram lengin ka thong chimnak video rak zo rak ngai ton tu nulapa hoikom dot nan di lak nan dam cheu tholai tia zup nak le ro chan nak ngai pathian jang fa nak thongin khathar mas tha nikhat na jong kan than than khoe kan thai kan khal tok thong pang the te I than le I khom nak kan ban ngai than lai atul yeu chu valai chung kho pen se azu aslai Israel lai khop labang chu se lo Iran thong pang da ti lo hu chu tam hu ding he lem lo e chu cha chun tu tan zong a hen Iran ka da nak khong he pe tlai in update te kha kan ban rom hnalai e arwang chu Israel le US ni Iran an ka nak hi ani zan long na sri ti kho se aka nak akal chu ma liao Iran le zong ni Jerusalem Israel la ya se chon akyang kapram na e Israel kap hun pol se asi kho chung in aka thoma ve juliwa chon Israel le ju zong ni ka da na khan ka na kha an kalpi thwa ma ve e tu chunga chon thila lo nak zong kha tampi a chu kong he pe tlai in anu bik thong pang kan thai kan khal tok te kan ban rom than halai kan video ram thokan dong tiang lung sau te in narak ngai than dinga khan ban som nga kadu mi se ni hina US President Trump ni Iran ka na kong ha pe tlai in achimi biate kha kan van ngai tan halai chun huwa chun thong pang dang ha zong kha kan ban zau than halai ka hen video te he ka ban chu lai ban zau ta ton hause.
Over the past 36 hours, the United States and its partners have launched Operation Epic Fury, one of the largest, most complex, most overwhelming military offensives the world has ever seen. Nobody's seen anything like it. We have hit hundreds of targets in Iran, including Revolutionary Guard facilities, Iranian air defense systems. Just now, it was announced that we knocked out 9 ships plus their naval building, all in a matter of literally minutes. Iran's formerly supreme leader, Ayatollah Khamenei, is dead. This wretched and vile man had the blood of hundreds and even thousands of Americans on his hands and was responsible for the slaughter of countless thousands of innocent people all across many countries. Last night, all over Iran, the voices of the Iranian people could be heard cheering and celebrating in the streets when his death was announced. The entire military command is gone as well, and many of them want to surrender into saving their lives. They want immunity. They're calling by the thousands. Combat operations continue at this time in full force, and they will continue until all of our objectives are achieved. We have very strong objectives. They could have done something 2 weeks ago, but they just couldn't get there. Earlier
tu tiang van chim ye toinan kan van chim la Israel le US ni Iran an ka na kong le chu ka na ka chun Iran le ral kap ti long pakwa zong pil lak an ka nak se chun Iran ral kap I an hun be pi mi pol an ka na kong le an for supreme leader pa athi na kong chun Iran hu play chung hun ke pa mi Iran ni pin ha an throi tu thalo athi ruang an lop na kong pol kha awan chimi alwan chemi zamni chunga khan Iran hebia kan ru anaka kan du mi kan halmi kha an tu kho mi kha an tu du lo cha hi thil achang mi asina siti mi kong kha awan chimi se achimi di lakhan za ka ban latlem lo atoy fian na khan ka ban le mi saw like ti cha khan mo.
Today, CENTCOM shared the news that 3 US military service members have been killed in action. As one nation, we grieve for the true American patriots who have made the ultimate sacrifice for our nation, even as we continue the righteous mission for which they gave their lives. We pray for the full recovery of the wounded and send our immense love and eternal gratitude to the families of the fallen. And sadly, there will likely be more. Before it ends, that's the way it is.
kazona kan san khom avanti mi chu US Central Command kha se Middle East lai aral kap ne comment ke hun pi kha selamu chuni thong pang ban ka that ninga chun kha Iraq Iran ka na ka Israel ka pathum annun na kaliam timi thong kha kan thaien chung kharna chungwa khan ngai chet nak ngan pi kan langtar timi kha avan chim chlong si kha avan chim mi khan abe pi ngai mi chu atu ban tuken vaya oktu thalo mi thalo na kan da una ka hin anun nakliam mi dang zong kha phai zong numri lai te ruang chu atu ral he adi chol ding ral asilo cha ate pe tai in ka nak kan to lai cha khan hinu pin lai zonga nun nak aliam mi zong anumri khomen ti kha avan chimi sima chun hliam tur min ha zong kha hi ka azat khaban chimran median an til na ka khan chun hliam tur mi kha panga an city ban to kha se chul hliam tur min ha an dam zaw nak ding cha zong akhan kha kan champion lai ti kha avan chimi se ban ngai than house
likely be more, but we'll do everything possible where that won't be the case. But America will avenge their deaths and deliver the most punishing blow to the terrorists who have waged war against basically civilization. They have waged war against civilization itself. Our resolve, and likewise that of Israel, has never been stronger. America is now again the richest, most powerful nation in the world by far. But the only reason we enjoy the quality of life that we do and the freedom and security is we have done things that others are unable to do. But it's because of warriors who are willing to lay down their lives to do battle with our enemies. And they do battle better than anybody. An Iranian regime armed with long-range missiles and nuclear weapons would be a dire threat to every American. We cannot allow a nation that raises terrorist armies to possess such weapons, would allow them to extort the world to their evil will. Not going to let it happen. We're not happening to us, and we're not going to let it happen to others.
Chimmi chabe pide mi tilong kaban chimlai Iran ni hin long rang misal le nuclear sham nam anga isi achun chu US ram mi American cha khanmu dairaken ti nung mi kha asikau chu cha achun chaban tok thil chu achan lo nak ding cha US ni hin kan zuam US zonga chaban tok thil chu achan kan du lo e ram dang chung zonga khan chaban tok thil chu achan kan du lo chu cha US chu walai chung athong bik mi ral kap angai mi kan si e chu Iran ni khan foi token akan ngam akan daw ngam mi kha apel nak
The United States has the strongest military the world has ever seen. I rebuilt our military in my first term. There's never been a military like we possess. And frankly, there's nobody even close, but we are now using that military for good. We want to have it for good purpose. We're undertaking this massive operation not merely to ensure security for our own time and place, but for our children and their children, just as our ancestors have done for us. Many.
Ban chimi kha be pi ngai ngai US civil chunga ria ral kap thong ngai mi kan si tu ta ral kap tha jang kan phan mi he that nak cha ase chu that nak cha kan titika kan ma kan chan liau cha long silo in kan nu arkra ding mi kan te kan fan ha chan cha tiang in a him ding le a tha ding mi a cha khan kan phan mi si chu han liao e akan ring sor tu kam pi kam pu na ne kan ma tu chan minung pol kan him nak ding cha e kan that nak ding cha khon khan lai an rak rel ban tu khan kan ma zong ni kan te kan fan ha cha that nak la him nak ding cha ral kap tha jang kha kan phan mi si ti kha aban chim mi se
years ago. This is the duty and the burden of a free people. These actions are right and they are necessary to ensure that Americans will never have to face a radical, bloodthirsty terrorist regime armed with nuclear weapons and lots of threats. For almost 50 years, these wicked extremists have been attacking the United States while chanting the slogan, "Death to America" or "Death to Israel" or both. They are the world's #1 state sponsor of terror. We are the world's greatest and most powerful nation, so we can do something about what they do. These intolerable threats will not continue any longer. I once again urge the Revolutionary Guard, the Iranian military, and police to lay down your arms and receive full immunity or face certain death. It will be certain death. Won't be pretty. I call upon all Iranian patriots who yearn for freedom to seize this moment, to be brave, be bold, be heroic, and take back your country. America is with you. I made a promise to you, and I fulfilled that promise. The rest will be up to you, but we'll be there to help. Thank you. God bless you to our incredible warriors, and God bless the United States of America. Thank you.
Kampu bachim he cho afiang e ngai anuam e chun zaigan tila hel laute hel phili kheng thang velin avel lo e piang ko achim me sul lamangai molang ngai takte karo e atu he Iran me pin ha mon namma nan chan se kan ma American han namma bom dinga kan dir peng la e miral than ha ni tha te in thau lo nan thajang cho lo namma ni nan chawwo simi kha atu he lak chana semu bia kan rakam hai chu kan rakam min ha chu atu hi katwa chang atu chu nan rama chawza thanan du mi chawza dir khona khading cha namma rian se asinan zuat ni kan kal tak na lai lo nan ma bom dingin kan dir pi peng na lai ti kha aban chim mi se ram leng arak jam changmi thongkha zakwa le somsri le pakwa liaun ram leng arak jam changmi khale thongkha zakwa somsri tha ni Iran arak oktu an siang parhang kan ti kha ban hroi tu pai afa pa ti pavli ni khan Iran rakap na sina khan nol nak bia acha amin ha chu ram chunga atu ban token ralda ona khedong se di se tinan du sia chon nan khiam nam kha cheu lo me pi sina khan ok nak roi nak kha pen ha lo ti kha achim la tu liao hi Iran ne pin ha ne zaida kan tu lai zaida to ding city hi bekhia nak fiang te in ngai liao chan te takse abe pi tak mi se Iran foi tun ha hi minung tam pian thi chang asina in minung kha jagan minung kha tampin ngai be cha an thleng lamang te pakhat an thi chu pakha athi mi na dir huna cha dang pakhat kha te khan am ban ra than lamang e Iran ni ram leng wanji pan achim CNN ni tu mat khani khat e bian hal na kha khan Iran ni hen US he direct kan kap kholo te arwang chu lam ai khat tok te lam ai la tok te ka Iran ni US direct kan akap kholo chu cha chon thim ding dang kan ngai lo e kan kiang ka pa mi kan ka kho nak hun pha mi US dral kap hun pha pol kha kan ka hau ko e chu vale pi thain chimbak mi se e chu cha chon long rang missile le nuclear siam nam Iran ngai adu na khe direct US ka adu cha se chu US ni khan asikhau baklo mi mo chu cha nuclear siam nam long range missile hen ngai kholo tia ati lamang mi kha se ta chun na karal da uche chewa ai lo lo nak chu US le Israel ne an ka tika mipi na kha jetik mana target na an kap lo sana bom of puak min avan horaswan e mipi siam atur min ha jong chum kho sana an ka liao te rim khan mipi target in an kap lo sana atu Iran ne Israel ram chunga Jerusalem heti ban tol khodang dang he bom athak chu cha cha me pi athi mi jong kha an tam ngai chang ti se phuna ka chim ke mi thalo ral dau che chewa hin mi thalo le mi than ral dau chu ai dang chumu mi thalo ni chon a hau po kha khyang po wa khyang se thi po wa thi se rok po rok se ti mi ro na khan ral an dau tu kan ram mi koral thang ban tu khan mum asina en tip mi tha te angai mi le tha te in thim ok ngai lo ruanga du ruanga silo thim ok ngai lo ruanga ral adaw min hani chon zai heda ka lai zai heda ka khilai ti mi kha tha te in tim tu ami khan ngai ti kha ka zon a hen ban chim ka du mi sela pastor haki ni achimi nihin ni kan ma jos le Sunday si nihin ni Cornerstone Creek Fabua Texas umi Cornerstone Creek Fabua pastor John haki ni achimi te kha kavan from tan hlai kamban zau tam man usilo atlang tar thim ma hen ka coming pathian ara leo chun Operation Epic Fury atu US ni Iran aka tika Operation Min abun mi he ma hetlang tarin achimi se chun Israel ni chun Iran aka atika Operation Min abun mi chu Operation Lion Roaring ti se chendo ipi ahuk timi khas ko lemti chu pastor John Hakin achimi te kha kamban ngai tam halai
headline that shook the world.
Join you right now with breaking news from the Middle East. Israel has launched preemptive airstrikes against the Islamic.
Lift up your heads and rejoice. Your redemption draweth nigh.
Will you please stand for the reading of God's Word? Turn in your Bibles to Psalms 122, verses 6 through 9. As we gather here this morning in peace and serenity, the winds of war are blowing over the ancient city of Jerusalem in the Middle East. For weeks, President Trump has tried to reach a peaceful solution with Iran to no avail. Iran is accustomed to American presidents to giving them billions of dollars so America could live with them in peace. I call that political extortion. Others call that statesmanship. Iran used that money to kill the Jewish people in the war of October the 7th in 2023 because they gave that money to Hamas and Hamas used it for war. God bless you, Mr. President, for being a friend of Israel.
lai mi pastor ne even to ke pol pichong an chim ngom ngam ti hikarot ngai la mirang pastor pol he kan minung chu kana lau chion halo or num nak chu athati an zum mi he pol pichong si jong a khoi ka mun a si po a fiang te in an chim ngom kan ni lai mi a hen kan that nak tam pi na en mit phai zau ti mi he kan ngai to ke a thai che in pastor he mit phai kan zau khun tem kan member pol he khatlai kan dot haleu khatlai an thin hong sol lai titin kan chima chon an il khiak sol lai an ngai chia sol lai pum an nur sol lai ti ban to he kam phang to ke pulpit chungin politics cho chim lo zai dang biam han he kan chim ngom lo mi tam pi birang pastor pol he atha adik an ti mi cho online zonga se chon pol pichung zonga se fiang te in an chim ngome an diar pingom chu warun nak se tutan ni atlang ta hrim khaza lo at American ni Iran atuk na ke Operation Min abun mi kamo Operation Epic Fury kitikha amhan bako cho salong silo en Trump adir kap zia le Trump awar zia zong kha fiang te lang tar Israel ramcha hoi kom tha na si cha President Trump na sunga kan nilom kailom tuk ti bia kha pulpit chung bakana chim lai mi tampi ne kan chim ngam kham o te karuate ka khro harangai khatlai achinte le khawan ngai ri to se
God bless you for having the courage to do what others feared to do. God bless our fighting forces in the Middle East in the brilliant execution.
Pathian ni thachot na kam pe ko set zai ruang ati sia chon midang ni an tu du lo mi le tu ading an el mi tu tu dinga pathian ni thachot pe ko set de
God bless our forces in the Middle East in the brilliant execution of Operation Epic Fury. Today we will discover in Bible prophecy that God has an Operation Fury. He has planned for Iran and Russia in the near future. Stay tuned in the television audience. Let's read Psalms 122, 6 through 9. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. May they prosper who love you. Peace be within your walls, prosperity within your palaces. For the sake of my brethren and companions, I will now say peace be unto you. Because of the house of the Lord our God, I will seek your good. Can we pray together? Our most gracious Heavenly Father, as over the enemies of Israel, this concerning Israel, you shall break them. Someone who says, so why did we do that? What has Iran done to justify this? The arranged
minung tampi ni hen US ni Iran akami an khru har Iran ni zai ruang zai da zu chunga sol nak atu abal zai benuk that lo nak atu abal tia an khru hare behal nak tampi an ngai ati makaka Iran ni US ram chunga arak tu mi thil kha ban chimlai.
War against America began in 1979 with the seizure of U.S. Embassy in Tehran, where 52 Americans were held for 444 days. How many of you?
Thong khazakwa le somsri le pakwa khan atu Iran oktu chawza ni khenmo revolution dak daw khan an dak to mal hade chawza khan thak cho khalewa khan atu Tehran Iran copy Tehran US Embassy kha an rak lake an rak kul an rak lake khalewa khan khalew ren tun tu US rammi somnga le pathi eventi me chu apol kha nizali liang kha an rak ren na tia.
Remember that. President Jimmy Carter took no action. The day Ronald Reagan took office, the 444 hostages were instantly released. The point, Iran was certain Ronald Reagan would take action. The tale of terror continues. In 1983, Iran bombed the U.S. Embassy in Beirut and killed 63 people. Nothing was done.
So akum te kavan pal sola avaya Beirut zonga khan Iran ni US vai kha arakka te US ral kap mun ma kha arakka ma khan 63 somruk le zora kap somruk le pathum andak thi.
America took no action. In October 1983, Iran bombed the U.S. Marine barracks, killing 241 U.S. Marines.
Beirut 1983 zonga khan US Marine hunma kha arakka than. Chun zural kaptam pi som ko le zevanti sekolung halo tukla ban chimgo khong ma chan rak se nan US ne ze ma arak tu alo.
This was the deadliest attack against the U.S. Marines since World War II in the Battle of Iwo Jima. America took no action. Then there was the Kobor Tower bombing in June the 23rd, 1996, killing 19 U.S. Air Force personnel and injuring 500 others. America took no action.
Vaitam tuk Iran ni hen mundang kadang rakom US Embassy heti ban tok zo rakam hun maraka chang chumum zo rakam minung tampian dakthi zo ram mi tampian dakthi American ne zai man atu abalawe.
America remembers the attack in New York City on 9/11 when 3,000 Americans were killed by terrorists flying jet aircraft into the towers of New York. This was something that America could not overlook. It took 10 years to find Osama bin Laden.
9/11 na New York na World Trade Center pi en ka nu tu khan chun zui chawza ni khan azau se so khove ti lo cha kum pha chung beledin khatha ding an kol adong na ka chan tha kho.
On October the 7th, 2023, the Iran-backed terrorist Hamas launched an unprecedented massacre against Israel, killing 1,200 Jewish people and taking over 250 hostages. Many of them were starved to death in a brutal fashion. The point is, history proves that Iran will murder and rape countless people until they are forced to stop.
Chucha chun Iran he ngol dingin kan hnek lo kan ti chi lo sia chun Iran ni Israel se US se zaitik po angir peng lai an ram mi na kha tha dingin akol peng halai ai zoom peng lai atha peng halai chu cha chun tha jang in kan ngol tar kan dir tar hau ti mi kha awan chim mi se Trump ni Iran aka mi chunga zaituk konda apom pi alung atlin pi ti mi kha he achim mi hen fiang ten lang
Iran was given billions of dollars by Presidents Barack Obama and President Joe Biden. It was a bribe to keep the peace. This is pathetic diplomacy. America now has a president in Donald Trump who seeks peace, but he will not beg for peace.
Yes. Sulam cho Barack Obama chan le Biden chan leo akan Iran tangka billion in an rakbo me chu dainak umnak sa American rammi American ratsa dainak umnak ding sa asiti an rakti asena en chu vaya adik miarak chalo President Trump hongkai President Trump ni chon dainak akol asena in dainak kho nak ding sa ahu man anol halai lo ti ahu man kha avanolin alung avatlot halai lo asena in dainak chu akol abe pi tak ma bia te khamu
President Trump believes what George Washington said 250 years ago. America must have peace through strength. Peace through strength.
Trump ne archim leng mang mi thajang mangin dai naksar peace through strength ti mi hi alwan chemi kumjan hilakum somnga lewa George Washington American president masa bigne arak chimmi bia American ni hen thajang mangin dai nak kan sarlai ti arak chimmi bia kha Donald Trump jong ni hin afiang te in ai fiang e chu ai kai mi se
God bless you, Mr. President. God bless the fighting forces in the brilliant execution of Operation Epic Fury.
Le kambia saulai chama bil kan skau solo achimmi hi adi la khan kangai e atha ta take amirang hol man mi jong khe thai har toklom lo rian tuan pa han kangai lamu la za som ko kai fiang ko te karwa le Bible e Iran le Israel le US le Russia kong Bible achimmi pol kha machu achimmi khase le atu hi Iran Russia US le Israel ni Iran an ka mi he Bible ni arak chimmi te kha achan te kha atling changmi kha askowe ti kha hi Pastor John Hakini hin phiang te khan achim le tampi ni chon chim ngom lem lai lo abikin kan ma lai mi Reverend Pastor Hiti ban tu pol hani chon porpi chunga hi ban tu kong kan chim ngom lem lai lo asunam Bible ni arak chim mi long te kha arak veim chia mi long te kha arak se Russia ni Israel aka te lighting pitimin ha kong jong kha chim asina en Russia hi asung lai heti ban tu te por khamu ema pol kha tutani sermon han achimi angai nuam ta chon kan ni khrifa lai mi khrifa bu tampi dau khan nak cha tangka piak ten ha zaigan ta ti nung le aswal ban tukan achiamin ha tampi kanum chu jong chu ru anga ngai a ha arwang chu ral dau ti mi cha homan ni kan huam tuk ruang le kan du tuk ruang a khan kan dau kha shlowe thim okum lo ruanga kan dau ko lo achun kan ma khasal atang pengding kan se silkan nun nak jong aliam khomi se chu cha chun ral adaw mi kan se kan du tuk ruang kan huam tuk ruanga silo mi tha lai non kan du tuk ruang a silo la tu ban tuk merang pastor na ban tuk hen tha te in ram le mi phun charian tuan na ka hin kan pastor ten ha ne atu nak phak da un kan au pi ngom na se kan au pi khon ha se tha jang kam pe ngom na se her ningin cholawa tho nak le zonga au chiu na se lo jai thukun da athat nga o ti kha ka hirote la chimdu mi chu tu ta na Israel ni Iran aka na ka hin operation min lion roll chendoi huk ti kha ase hi zong he Bible Jeremiah chung a chiami kha asitia hi pastor John Hakini hin achim khaban tuk te ka thailai ngai si cha khan tamtling de tem haile jong chim kho ka man zom ten cha sau chang cha khan ma vial khan video kan ban zau mi che sel kha thong pang kan chim man so lai lo thong pang kan ban lu da toy nak thari kan ban kan halai te ni hi na khan jinglaya suro da ka te Texas Austin biar dora khan mai thal ka nak cho chum minung pali an thi minung thaili rong kha hliaman tur la chu ka ai ka dau nak mai thal akap tu pa hi cynical in thong hi kuma khan US arak phan mi ase ma thong hi proka khan US citizen kha nupi athite khata khan me thong hi le thlai thum Obama chanlewa khan US citizen mi se le cynical in arakrami se ama hi somnga le kumthum ase amin he diaka daine ti rong khang so amin real jong ke baya kai har ngai le mai pa ni hen vai mai thal Austin Texas de beer san pakhate Buford backyard beer garden timi dor lenga khan mai thal kha ka cha minung palian thi thaile hliaman tur ti se ang ke rukmi khen property of ala ni ngai mi ala ta ka se timi chinchia na kha ai ruketi si cha moto a hen baya Muslim Bible an ha jong kha len ti kha ton wong itun han an chim le hi ni hen mai thal ka nak atu anak arwang chu atua Iran supreme leader pa athi nak ronga khan lungfa thin hunin atu bandong mai thal ka nak atu ami city kha palik ton wong itun han ni khan chun an chim mi si le hi ban tuk te hi peng khomen arwang chu zuasa hen hi ka amban tial ninga chun zuasa hen ral thang tia chinchia mi minung thong thlai riat an ti se thong thlai riat an na chu ti nunga ngai mi se ma thong thlai riat chung han tam pi chu IS heti bantuk Al Qaeda heti bantuk pe tla inak angai mi an se atu bantuken Iran US Israel an ka rong la an foi tu pol tam pi an thi rong a khen thin hun le lungfa en athan na ken ti nung de deuin chol chang le mai thal ka nak bom po na heti banduk len ha kha to khomi asi cha khan tu leo ti nung ngai ren kan ton na kan kal nak kip jong a hen Israel le Iran ka da na conscious ka da na khong heti banduk he zapim haya kan chim lo le kan re lo khan mu atha him de ti mi de kha thila thaimin ha ni khan ban chim mi te jong kha ban thop na ka du mi se toy fian nak te en chon khate khan hi ka hen ban za usi lo California Post na ban tial ning sia chon supreme leader pa long khasila tu he Iran foi tu be people somli anthi chekone somli pret anthi changti sele ai sar siam than ko ting hamo tu le Iran chauza kan ti la ai sar siam than ko ting hamo timi khatam pi ni chan ro za foi tu be pi timi pol kha ral boy timi le mi dang tang khatam pi an thi chang tika khen an sar siam thon khodinga khen che khani ka an zoom lo asena tu he chauza thar hai ti ban tu phun kha sar than ding le bai am ban zoom chu ma liao chu si chu sebe chon abe pi ngai mi chu hi pa he atu a thi chang mi an supreme leader pa Ayatollah Ali Khamenei afa pa se ama airol tu dinga ru ami asumo ama airol tu dinga ru bak mi jong he Israel ka da unak ruang akhan thi chang cho anu pi jong afala dang ha jong kha tam pi kha an thi chang ti kha media tampin an cheme ma athi na kong petla in ama Iran lai media am ban tial mi khasala zoom ok la kautia tam thiam sang tampin han an zoom mi se chuni afian tar mi chu Ali Khamenei tu ding Ivan rol tu ding foi tu tha thinum ti lo hi palong shelo foi tu dang so tam pian thi chang tika khen atu le Iran chauza chu atu te tak chang ko lai lo mo ti ru na kha tam pi mi se le alwan chiami ni sai me chung te khoi February ni thai sri thong ni la thai ruk leo khan supreme leader pani khan a Twitter khan arak tial mi chu atial mi a chun US president hani an chimmi chu som kum som li le kum sri chunga US ni hin azai tem hanin Iran chawza he a rok kholai lo ti kha andak chim lamang e chu adik mi swal phun nak adik mi chim nak an chi adik ti an chim mi sitia chim Donald Trump kha vein Donald Trump kha hai chim tho khan mo achim mi chu nangma zong ni ma hi na tu kholai lo ti mi bia kha rak chim asena in February nikul le neriat ong phani February nikul le neriat a chon Donald Trump ne avan tial ve mi chu Khamenei te valai chunga achia khabi mila swal big mi pa chu athi change ti kha avan than than khate khan minung he kan ma kan bia lila hente kan rak ok to ne ase kholo kan chunga jaitem han in tu kholai lo kan ti mi he arak tlong ton arak siton chu cha chun bachim rel general rin harzia kha avan lang mi se pakhat pa annu ne tuan te athi ta ke ka phale annuwa thlang bal han chu nupi ka ngai baklai lo atile thlathum nuwa nupi thin ti bantuk ka bantuk khatu he si kam phoi te le US ne ram lenga operation pakhat khat atu atla chunna ka modoru an tlai zonga khan se la tu Iran an ka lai zonga han se lo zaiban tukun da thil an tu ata kan ti sia chon tha te in an thlai chik chak te CIA ni tha ten an am ki ka an du mi le tlai an du mi mo tha an du mi kong he pe tlai in chun ka an du nak hun pha kong he pe tlai in CIA ni tha te in an thlai chik chak an dai chik chak nuwa apel kholo ti an fe tan hulonga US ni hin ka do nak tu mi iti ro so en ka do nak watu khasila US ni hin siam nam an han hlana hin achunga thongpang thil sining tha te NCIA an dak thlai biar chang Israel he an bom Mossad tholan ji hen bom chu cha chun an ban tu tak an ban ka tak tika khan chun za a som ko ni chun atar kat akhen an du mi an thlo tling hi supreme leader pa tha nak ding cha hen swimel pani long raw ama ni chun an kam hung kholai lo an ka that kholai lo an klai khlai ti ro nak ngai na swimlam pani chunga anun nakaliam lama chu ka ya thai thai pakhat si cha khan mo kam ban thom than du min ha se le kha tu he friends ni chun thong pa ban tel than ni pakhata friends ni chun ral kap wan ral dau nak wan long zai majat aphur khomi anti longan pi Charles Dico Timothy longan pi kha tu hi Middle East la ya avon tha be chang ti se chu zai rong tha ti sia chon amma Israel kap lai Israel kap lai mo diar kam tu ding la bom tu ding a chun bom dinga khan friends ne ti longan pi kha Middle East lai avan tha be chang ti mi thong pang jong kha thong pang tha pakhat se chon UK ne jitin dan chim kam ban ti sia chom ki ka Iran he dai ni am ummi kan ral kap hun ma pol kha US ne har ningin amhen kho ti mi kham ban than than chang me he alhana khan chon US ne Iran atok hlana khan chon UK ni hen ki ka Middle East se kan ral kap mun ma pol US kam han tar lai lo tia andak chim mi ka se lehi ka UK prime minister pa ne aban chim ning sia khan chon US ne an kan hal request an kan to ban token Middle East ummi kan ral kap mun man ha har achon US ne hang khau dingin kan sian chang ha ti mi thong pang kha aban chim chu jong chu thong pang tha se mun ma ti mi aba pi tak da ke geography himu ral dau na ka hen le UK ni hen Middle East hen ra kap mun ma he pakul song thang chu angai ve chu chunga cha be pi big mi chu Cyprus ummi haiti ban tu Kuwait haiti ban tu UAE haiti ban tu ummi pol khe be pi ngai mi an se chu UK ral kap mun ma pol US ni zalong tem han kho sia chon irun ven na ka se offensive ka da unak to nak zong khan se lo tam pi sana tliding mi kha se chu at le Israel cha thong pang tha se thiam ti mi te kha evan chim le ban from na ka du mi se chon Iran ram le wan chi pan a chim chang ban to kon US kha direct ken an ka kho lo cha an ni chon anar an tip mi chu US kyang ka pi ummi yang kaprama omizu azrakap hunman hakaka nati mi khase atu tianga han Iran ni hen ram thlai khata ummi zu az hunma pol kha afaina saram thlai khat aka chang te chu achon kuoi se aital kuoi se misal som ko le pasri na ka dron jan hi le som riat le pathum man aka te se chon akata kata ha misal som ruk le prokon aka e dron thlai hi nakta man aka e atu tianga chon kata he thimi me pia thimi in lo rok min hazong kha an tam ngai Iran ka nak ronga hen kata he atem tur ngai be mi aram ase John Saudi Arabia he zaizat nda ka ti thai selo Syria zong kha aka afon chun UAE United Arab Emirates khamu ma zong kha ka chun Oman zong aka chun Israel aka chun Bahrain aka chun Cyprus aka Iraq aka Jordan aka te maram vial te kha Iran ne direct kan just aka kho lo ruanga kharam vial te kha vaka mi se kharam vial ten ha he tu hi Iran chung an thin a hungai la har sia chun kan ka lai kan le ru lai ti kha an chim chang makha Iran an dir mun si Iran ni hen kan muslim ram hoin ha ne thun kan chit tissa an kan phau ti khan ru ve zu asal Israel lai an dir ti ban to khan ru ve la mo tu he chu an dir mun chu se chun zu asni hin tu tan Iran ka na ka hen zai ban to khriam nam le ve pol tan han ti mi kha central command ne avan tiel ning te khan hi ka toy na thing kam ban zau ta la e Central Command ni hindu Iran ka na ka hin amban that ninga chu just nam han mi hi B2 steel bomber atha ta tak mi pong arit tak mi bom pol angan tak mi bom apor khomi mo ke valai tang athuk nak big mun pha jong e alut khomi khok khomi bom apor khomi B2 bomber jong khan man chun Lucas drone he ti ban to khan man mi khiam nam tam pi kha ika ka ban tar mi khinama te van za kol ka chima cha tam tok lai cha khan mo lama vel te khan man mi se afoina kan chim se juas ni hen a khiam nam tha he tu ta na man chuni chun a fian tar mi chu Iran aka mi he juas ni hen be pi nga in arwa ti mi kha fiang te khan alang tar mi se chun Iran lai ne juas as Abraham Lincoln na khakan tho ti ban to khan chimi kha central command ne ban tiel ninga khan chun zai man Iran lai ne ju asa tilongan pi khamu ju asa Abraham Lincoln kha abom he kan pong thim a phan kholon te aro ju chimla phan kholon te le atu tianga chun ju Israel kap thoman thi panga thiaman tur ti mi kha thong pang kan thai kho tok se Israel lai tu chu ka an rama Jerusalem na Iran ne direct bomb thak aka kho cha khan thimi kha num pa len timi thong kha balai chung media tampin am ban trial la hi ka hin Israel kap le Israel kap ne tarkat nan ka mi chu US ne ai tarkat mi he phunha pol kha se Israel na ai tarkat mi he minung pol kha se how hi da mu an foi tu how hi da ka an halai ti ben to kha Israel ne ki mui chon aka mi kha se US na ka mi chum phunha pol ma Iran ne command and control center mo chun IRGC joint headquarter so the IRGC aerospace force headquarter heti bento integrate air defense system heti ballistic missile site heti Iran navy ship heti Iranian navy submarines heti anti ship missile site heti bento le military communication capabilities heti bento pol kha US ne kan akho mi velte kha se tampi an tha jang kha akho change President Trump ne achievement token Iran ral kap tampi ni hen an thiam nam chei ipek andu annun nak kham andu chu andu sia khan chon lam kan sarpiak halai ti kha thom ni khan achim lema chu atu ka dok nak chu ai pe tai thom ati Iran zone asi kho chongan aka ve ai kham ve asinan che kon median an chimning achun Iran foi tu na ni zu se biru kan du ti ban tuk kha an chim tin ha zong chu tu he thong pa hong leng chang le batak te in Israel le jus nam van thosia khan chon asau chu ngu dai do chu sro lo tu chu ma khong thang chan dian mun chu se ka kha tu tani kam ban khom kho mi chu sel tu tin ka video cha ban sangwai mi ni somni liang ban sele lung sau te en rakai kon ne lo rakai min di lak chung kalom ka thian dam na kam pek sia chon video danga thong pang thar kan tong chan halai